What is up, YouTube? It is me, Brank's name / Pitcrafters here, and guys, today is these storms are really starting to form. This one's new. I think it became something like yesterday, and I didn't make a video on it because I didn't have time, because school and stuff. So yeah, it's at a 60%. I remember it was at a 10%, and I was like, nah, this probably won't form. But National Hurricane Center says it could be a tropical depression, or maybe a short-lived tropical storm. Maybe tonight or tomorrow. And we all know this one's probably going to form today, maybe in a couple hours. So if it does, guys, and it updates, I will make a video on this. Hopefully in a few hours. I don't know. I mean, we already have a rough start. And we aren't even in hurricane season yet. So this is kind of a scary start. Because we have two invests right now. One of them is like at a guaranteed chance of forming, even the next 2 days, the next 5 days. This one, it probably could because it's over 50%. 50% means like either it could or it couldn't, but it's over that. Not saying it will. This could probably just be a depression since it's this close to land. But it's saying it could be a somewhat of a tropical storm, like maybe short-lived. And of course, Texas and Louisiana they're going through some flooding right now. And that also leads me to another thing. I was thinking about starting Weather Right Now, which is a series I only did an episode on. It was a pathetic one, but I'm bringing it back. Basically, Weather Right Now, it's kind of like Force 13's Tropical Weather Bulletin, but just like it's just all around the world weather. Because I know in Tropical Weather Bulletin he talks about like the storms that's going on, and like he shows like basically everything that goes around in the world. And I thought it's pretty interesting. It's really inspiring. So yeah. So here we are. We're gonna read these. Showers and thunderstorms associated with a non-tropical low pressure area centered about 300 miles northeast of Bermuda have diminished somewhat over the past several hours, and the system has not yet acquired subtropical storm characteristics. However, the low is producing gale force winds, and any increase in organization would result in advisories being annihilated, I don't know, on the system. Later today or tonight, as it moves westward to west-southwestward to the northeast of Bermuda. Subsequently, the low is forecast to move northeastward into a more hostile environment by Saturday night. So this could still be something, because you can see this like rotation in it, which kind of looks like it's already a storm, but it's not. It'd be cool if I updated it, and then bam, it's just a subtropical storm Anna. Yeah. And technically this one, if it forms, it could be Bill. And what's strange about that is because 6 years ago, literally Tropical Storm Bill was literally around this area. So if this was like another repeat 6 years ago in 2015, that'd be kind of strange. Yeah, the name Bill, he waited 6 years just for it to be in the same path. This storm Bill is going to be disappointed if it actually forms. Or maybe this one could form first and be Anna, then this could be Bill. I mean, I don't know. Strange things happen. Like in 2012 when I think Helene or Gordon took someone's place. I don't know. It's strange. Storms can do that. But I feel like this one could probably do first. Yeah. So now we're going to go to forecast models. Okay. So this is like usually what I did when I did Weather Right Now. Except we're not going to be doing any models. I mean, I guess we could. I guess. Let's see, up here. Yeah. So here's potential subtropical storm Anna. Which is, of course, doing that rotation. It could actually affect Bermuda. Hold on. Like, this is just models, so it probably won't happen, but it could. Like, it seems likely. So, you see Bermuda right there, that little small island? This could, like, flood Bermuda. So, I would watch out for the people that are in that region. But yeah. So we're gonna look at the models here. And honestly, for me, this one was kind of unexpected because I thought it was just some, which I thought it could be like an invest, but I didn't think it'd be something. I mean, it kind of, like when I came back from school today, like yesterday it was at 10%, now it's at 60, so I'm like kind of eyeballing that one as well. So, yeah, and by the way, for those of you who do know, yes, this one has died. Because I thought it probably would, and yeah. Because it really wasn't that. Guess the shear killed it, but yeah, that's not important. And this one says, surface observations and recent satellite wind data indicate that a well-defined low-pressure system over the western Gulf of Mexico has winds of 30 to 35 miles per hour near and east of the center. Yeah. The associated shower and thunderstorm activity remains limited, but any increase in this activity may result in the formation of a short-lived tropical depression or tropical storm. I guess that's what it means. Before the system moves inland over, yeah, I think it means like it could possibly do it before it's in there. It's that close, by the way. It does look like something. I mean, Texas and Louisiana are getting flooded right now. That's why I kind of want to start back weather right now, to be honest. Tropical weather bulletin, you guys really inspire me. Yeah, and that's where it's going, by the way. And here's this one, too, as well. So, yeah, we're going to be eyeballing these storms. I'm going to keep doing my daily updates, maybe hourly, if this one actually becomes something. Because it's going to be big, because it's going to be the first storm of the season. And we haven't even begun June. And look, there's already 2 systems like last year. Freaking Arthur and Bertha, basically. Like last year. Except they're just different things. Like, that's kind of... the season, if we're already starting out with these 2 storms, this could be hyperactive or something like last year. I hope it's not like last year. Last year was terrible in the season. It was like, it beat 2005, and that was like 15, 16 years ago. So that's like a record. Like, nobody thought 2005 would be beaten. No, it got beaten. I'm sorry. Yeah. So, satellite imagery. You know, actually, I'm not even gonna do that. I'm gonna give you guys... we do like an Atlantic. The whole Atlantic. Hold on, let's let it load. Here we go. The whole Atlantic. So, as you can see, that really does look like a subtropical storm. Like, I can see it. I could see it. It has some subtropical characteristics, kind of like how the National Hurricane Center said. But yeah, it kind of does have that, to be honest. So here's the Invest 91L and Invest 90L. Like, what I mean for, like, weather right now, I mean, like, oh, look, there's some thunderstorms down there, but that's not important. That's for the weather right now series. So, yeah, here are these storms. Here we go. Here's, like, how it kind of look. Oh, my God. Yeah, let's let it load, guys. Oh, what the heck? It's already getting dark over there. Wow. So, here we are. Again, you can see... you can kind of see it there, too. Will you see that? Like, where that invest is? It's approaching land, so this could really cause some flooding in Texas and Louisiana, so... hope you guys are staying safe over there in the flood. This could probably bring like several inches. So I would keep on a lookout for that. I don't know if this one will be too big. I mean, unless if it like, because it could do some flooding to Bermuda if those models were true. But again, they are models, so nobody really knows for sure. We can get some close-up views, I guess. Once when it loads. Oh my God. I don't have all day, bruh. And since we're talking about 2 storms, this could be, like, longer. I think it's almost, like, 10 minutes. Yeah, here we are. Here is Invest 90L. Looking like a possible storm. And this one, hold on, let's let that load too. So, there are probably, how much do you guys think will be in June? Because I think maybe 1 or 2. I don't know. Maybe 1 or 2, I don't know. I guess, because judging by last year, how hyperactive it was, and looking at this start that we're having with 2 invests, that's like, it's kind of, like, I think I'll go for 2 storms in June, kind of like last year. 2 storms in May, 2 storms in June. Yeah. I'm not saying it will be like that, because, you know, it could literally pull a freaking 360 and just go not hyperactive. You know what I mean? I don't know if it would do that. Yeah. But here's Invest 90L bringing that rain. Frick, I can't really see it right there, to be honest. But yeah, you can see that rain coming on to Texas, which really is like causing some flooding, and Louisiana too involved. So yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe over there, and there is more to come. So I would watch out, because this is probably like flooding you guys bad. But yeah. So we're gonna look at some sea surface temperatures for the Atlantic. Here we are. Sea surface temperatures are basically kind of like the same, or this one is. It's like right here, still in this like 21 degree region. Yeah. So like in this 21 degree region where my cursor is. And Invest 90L, it's like right here. So I want to say probably right here in this like 26 degree region. So it's probably heating up. Right here, it's really warm. Like 30 degrees down there. Probably 31 soon. So yeah. And also, we can look at this now. Invest 90L location is 35.0 degrees north and 61.2 degrees west. With the pressure, a central pressure of 1,005 millibars. Yeah. And here are some models that we have gotten. Yeah, there's the models. Yeah. For this storm, it will probably go down a little bit, and then it's kind of already doing it. As you can see, hold on, let's get all this. As you can see, it kind of already is. So, yeah. But I will think this will be the end of it. Oh, yeah, also, here's the intensity guidance. Yeah, for some reason, they're looking at maybe 55, almost category 1 stage. I don't think it will be that big, honestly. I think I'll probably agree with 45 miles an hour, or 40. Well, since 40's not, I'll just do 45 miles an hour. So I'm thinking like maybe there, not category 1. I'm sorry, but I don't think it'll be that big, unless if it again does pull a 360. But I don't know. Anyways, guys, I will end it here. So like and subscribe, turn the notification on for the latest updates, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.